Let me guess. You've watched countless make money online videos, and somehow your wallet is still empty. I've been there too, caught in the loop of endless scrolling, looking for that one magic hack that would change everything overnight. That was until I realized something fundamental. I needed to stop chasing the quick fixes and focus on a single actionable step that led me to earn $300 within just 4 days. No budget required, no prior experience, just a reliable Wi-Fi connection to harness the power at my fingertips. The first crucial step I took was not watching another video. I shifted my perspective from passive consumer to active provider. I leaned into my existing knowledge, basic writing skills, and created a service offering. My first gig? Highly compensated product descriptions priced at $75 a piece. It only took me 2 hours of work, and all it required was an example document I crafted quickly in Google Docs, showcasing why I was the right choice for prospective clients. Just like that, my Fiverr profile was born, and so was the realization that opportunities were not scarce, but rather plentiful if only I knew where to look. For the longest time, I had tried a multitude of side hustles, surveys promising pennies, affiliate links that led to nowhere, and random apps that wasted my time rather than made me money. Yet once I focused intently on this one skill, clients began reaching out almost immediately. By the end of the third day, I was already at $150, and on day 4, I hit the coveted $300 mark. And this momentum didn't just stop there. With an array of ideas pouring into my notebook and a notifications pinging on my Cash app, something incredible was unfolding. It's staggering to consider that around 70 million Americans are freelancing as we speak, many earning an average of $20 to $30 an hour, far surpassing the income of some traditional jobs. You aren't late to the party. Rather, you've simply been playing an entirely different game than you should have been. If doubts creep in and thoughts like, "But I don't have a marketable skill," haunt you, dispel them. If you can compose a clear email, format a polished resume, or create a straightforward design, you possess something of value to offer. The internet rewards even the simplest skills when they effectively solve real problems. Now let's crystallize your action plan. Identify one skill you already excel at, craft a sample to demonstrate your abilities, and post it on platforms like Fiverr or even Reddit. Reach out to a few potential clients via direct messages offering genuine assistance, not spam messages, but thoughtful offers of help. As you embark on this journey, I invite you to comment "Started" below. I read every comment, and I'll be responding to a few with personalized advice. This video marks the beginning of our journey together. With more valuable insights on the horizon, hit that subscribe button and activate the notification bell. Trust me when I say that the next installment will reveal how you can transform your first $300 into a steady income stream without begging for clients to come your way. Together, we'll see how this is merely the launch pad to something greater. You're not too late. In fact, you're perfectly positioned to embrace this opportunity.